Configure options, linker options, hyphen hyphen enable hyphen shared, enable building a shared Python library, lib Python default is no, hyphen hyphen without hyphen static, hyphen lib Python. Do not build lib Python major.minor.a and do not install python.o, build and enable by default. 3.3.8 Libraries options, hyphen hyphen with hyphen libs is equal to lib. Link against additional libraries default is no, hyphen hyphen with hyphen system hyphen exp8 build at build the py exp8 module using an installed exp8 library default is no, hyphen hyphen with hyphen system hyphen lib mpdac build the underscore decimal extension module using an installed mpdac library, see the decimal module. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen read line is equal to edit line, use edit line library for backend of the read line module, define the with underscore edit line macro. Hyphen hyphen without hyphen read line, don't build the read line module built by default. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen libam is equal to string, override libam math library to string, default is system dependent. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen libc is equal to string, override libc c library to string, default is system dependent. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen openSSL equal to dir, root of the openSSL directory. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen openSSL hyphen r path is equal to no or auto or dir. Set runtime library directory rpath for openSSL libraries. No default, don't set rpath. Auto detect rpath from hyphen with hyphen openSSL and pkg hyphen config. dir, set an explicit rpath. Security options, hyphen hyphen with hyphen hash hyphen algorithm is equal to fnb or SIP has 13 or SIP has 24. Select hash algorithm for use in Python / pyhash.c. SIP has 13 default, SIP has 24 fnb. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen built-in hyphen hashlib hyphen hashes is equal to md5 comma sh1 comma sha256 comma sha512 comma sha3 comma black blake2 built-in hash module md5 sha1 sha256 sha512 sha3 with sec blake2 black2. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen ssl hyphen default hyphen shoots is equal to python or openSSL or string, override the openSSL default cipher shoot string python default, use python's preferred selection openSSL, leave openSSL's defaults untouched. String, use a custom string, see the SSL module. macOS options, see mac/readme.rst hyphen hyphen enable hyphen universal SDK hyphen hyphen enable hyphen universal SDK is equal to SDK dir. Create a universal binary build. SDK dir specifies which macOS SDK should be used to perform the build. Default is no. Hyphen hyphen enable hyphen framework hyphen hyphen enable hyphen framework equal to install dir. Create a Python dot framework rather than a traditional Unix install. Optional, install direct dir specifies the installation path. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen universal hyphen args is equal to arch specify the kind of universal binary that should be created. This option is only valid when enable hyphen universal SDK is set. Options, universal 2 32-bit 64-bit 3-way Intel 32 Intel 64 all. Hyphen hyphen with hyphen framework hyphen name equal to framework, specify the name for the Python framework on macOS, only valid when hyphen hyphen enable hyphen framework is set. Default Python.